Sugar is much more than just a global commodity. It is a fundamental source of energy that fuels our modern world in every single way. But behind every perfect crystal lies a monumental industrial symphony. Welcome to a world where nature meets the ultimate and most powerful mechanical force today. Our journey begins here, in the heart of the green ocean, where the sun's energy is captured and stored within these tall, resilient stalks of cane. As the day breaks, these silent giants prepare to awake. A fleet of mechanical titans stands ready to transform the landscape through sheer engineering brilliance. The heavy gears begin to turn with immense torque. Every movement is a testament to human ingenuity in harvesting the raw bounty of the earth. The air vibrates with the low hum of power. A high-stakes operation is about to commence, turning vast green horizons into a refined energy source. In this modern era, efficiency is king. These mechanical titans can harvest over 100 tons of cane per hour with incredible surgical precision and speed. Watch as the steel blades slice through the dense growth. What once took hundreds of workers' days to complete is now achieved in mere minutes. Deep inside the machine, high-speed cutters work tirelessly. They shred and chop the stalks into uniform billets, preparing them for the next stage of extraction. The harvested cane is propelled with force into the air. Every billet represents a concentrated package of sweetness, waiting to be unlocked by industrial might. Synchronization is vital for success. The harvester and the transport truck move as one, a coordinated dance across the rugged terrain of the sugar plantation. With the containers filled to the brim, the harvest is rushed to the refinery. Time is of the essence to ensure the highest sugar quality. Arriving at the refinery, the cane begins its dramatic transformation. Thousands of tons are processed daily, requiring a logistical dance of steel and perfect synchronization. The earth shakes as the cargo is released. Tons of raw material are fed into the system, marking the start of a complex industrial process. Endless conveyor belts act as the arteries of the plant. They transport the raw cane through various stages, ensuring a continuous flow of high-volume production. Cleanliness is the first step toward purity. High-pressure water jets blast away any remaining soil, leaving only the clean stalks ready for the crushing mills. Under the bright factory lights, the transformation is visible. The rough product of the field is now a clean industrial feedstock for the massive machines. The gateway is open. Now, the physical structure of the cane will be broken down by the sheer force of rotating steel and heavy pressure. This is the dance of steel. Massive rollers exert thousands of pounds of pressure, extracting every drop of precious juice from the fibrous cane stalks. Watch the raw power of the milling tandem. Nothing can withstand the pressure of these rotating giants as they squeeze the lifeblood from the plant. The process is relentless and rhythmic. Each set of rollers extracts more liquid, ensuring that not a single drop of sugar is left behind today. A river of raw juice begins to flow. This liquid gold is the essence of the harvest, rich in energy and ready for the refinery. The physical remnants of the cane emerge dry and crushed. Even after giving up its juice, this material still holds incredible value for the factory. Nothing is wasted in this sustainable cycle. This leftover fiber, known as bagasse, will be burned to fuel the entire plant's massive power requirements. The scale of engineering here is truly breathtaking. It is a perfect balance of raw mechanical force and the delicate extraction of nature's sweetest secret. Now, chemistry meets mechanics. The raw juice enters a complex world of pipes and filters where it will be stripped of all its natural impurities. Through heat and sophisticated vacuum systems, the raw juice is purified. We watch as the liquid clarity improves, moving toward a state of perfection. Every step is monitored with scientific precision. Expert technicians ensure that the chemical balance is perfect before the liquid moves to the evaporation stage. Huge evaporation towers dominate the landscape. Here, the water is boiled away under vacuum, concentrating the thin juice into a thick and golden syrup. The heat is intense and the pressure is controlled. The liquid thickens, becoming a rich, viscous concentrate that holds the promise of the final crystal. This golden syrup is the result of hours of processing. It is the pure essence of the cane, ready for the magic of crystallization to begin. Every gauge and valve plays a part in this delicate dance. The transition from liquid to solid is about to take place in the heart of the plant. Deep inside the vacuum pans, a miracle of physics occurs. Tiny seeds are added, and the first sugar crystals begin to grow and multiply. Slowly, the liquid yields to the solid. Perfect geometric structures emerge, locking the sweetness into the stable form that we recognize as table sugar. Centrifugal force, spinning at thousands of RPMs, reveals the final masterpiece. The intense speed separates the dark molasses from the pure white sugar crystals. As the spinning slows, the transformation is complete. What remains is a brilliant white wall of sweetness, born from the white of a raw power of heavy industry. The sugar falls like a cascade of diamonds. It is pure, clean, and ready to be dried and packaged for the global market. Every grain is dried to perfection. The warm air ensures that the sugar remains free-flowing and maintains its high quality for years to come. From the green fields to these snowy peaks of white gold, the journey of engineering excellence is nearly at its sweet and successful conclusion. Automation takes over for the final stage. Robotic arms work with absolute precision, packing thousands of bags per minute to meet the world's demand. The pace is relentless as the finished product is sealed. This is the peak of industrial efficiency, delivering sweetness to every corner of the globe. As night falls, the factory never sleeps. It stands as a beacon of human ingenuity, transforming nature's energy into the sweetness of our lives. From this port, the journey continues across the oceans. Our engineering feat reaches billions, providing the energy that powers our global food systems. A simple smile is the ultimate reward. Behind that moment of joy is a complex world of steel, science, and the incredible power of industry. From the vast green horizons to your table, this has been a journey of excellence, a testament to turning the sun's energy into life's sweetness.